Hey everyone, today we're at Margaritaville Resort Orlando to take you on a full tour of everything there is to see and do, including a full room walkthrough to help you decide if this resort would be a good choice for you and your family. So let's get into it. Margaritaville Resort Orlando is located in Kissimmee, Florida, and is just minutes away from the major attractions in Orlando. Named after the hit song by Jimmy Buffett, Margaritaville Resort offers an island-inspired escape with relaxing amenities and world-class dining and entertainment. Margaritaville Resort is comprised of a hotel, villas, and cottages. The hotel follows a normal hotel booking process. However, the villas and cottages are vacation rental homes with the amenities of a resort. For this video, we'll be focusing on the hotel part of the resort, but keep in mind that the villas and cottages are an option if you do want to look into those. Check-in is at the reception desk located here in front of this giant screen. Guests 21 and older can receive a complimentary arrival drink as they check in. But since I'm allergic to alcohol, they gave me a voucher for a free non-alcoholic drink at the bar. So this is the welcome drink, which is a complimentary drink that you can get here at Margaritaville when you check in. So every guest gets one of these drinks whenever you check in, which is really fun. So since I'm allergic to alcohol, they made me a non-alcoholic version of this drink. So let me give it a try. Oh, that's good. It's like very pineapple-y, and it makes you feel like you're at the beach, which is perfect. I love it. It's delicious. Most of the resort amenities are located here in the lobby area, and I just love the theming here. There's plenty of places to sit and relax in these island cabana style seating areas, and the lights above are all margarita glasses. And of course, there's the iconic giant lobby flip-flop statue. So whenever you check in, they give you this little welcome packet along with your keys and everything. So the little line that she drew for me is actually where we need to park our car. But I mean, this resort is a lot bigger than I was expecting it to be. I knew that there's a lot of cottages and things here, but there's also a ton of different things that you can do. Here's the activity planner that they have of all the activities that they have going on throughout the week. We're here on a Sunday, so this morning they had a parakeet pals where you get a chance to build your own parakeet buddy, which sounds really fun, as well as a pool bash and slime time where you make your own slime. So tons of different activities that you can do with the kids all throughout the day. So even if you're staying around the resort or just gonna be here in the evenings, it looks like a ton of activities available for you here. They do have complimentary shuttles that go to and from all of the major theme parks in the area. So they do have the times and everything that is available here, as well as a lot of the resort spa packages, a body bar, which it looks like you can get a full body wrap, which sounds interesting. You can even get your hair cut on site, as well as nail enhancements, waxing, all sorts of different extra amenities that are available on site. So another really cool thing about Margaritaville is that it's really close to Sunset Walk, which is a shopping center here in Kissimmee, and it has a ton of dining and shopping options, as well as a movie theater. So there's a ton of additional restaurants that you can go to, and it's within walking distance.
She did say that they had a shuttle over there.
Oh, okay. So Noah is telling me that they did say that they do have a shuttle that will take you over to the promenade. So if you don't want to walk, they will actually take you there. If you're bringing a car, self-parking at the resort is free. However, valet is available for $35 a day. If you do need to rent a car, you can do so at the 6th Car Rental Desk. The Margaritaville store is here, where you can get souvenirs and tropical themed gifts. There's also a Coconut Telegraph Business Center with an ATM and a Bitcoin machine. I guess you just never know when you need to buy some crypto. Downstairs has a small Finn City arcade with air hockey and a few games to play. Provisions is a quick service cafe where you can get your morning coffee, smoothies, and on-the-go food like breakfast sandwiches, lunch sandwiches, burgers, and pizza. Euphoria Fish House is the table service restaurant here at the resort. Euphoria is actually named after Jimmy Buffett's beloved yacht and offers upscale seafood. We ate breakfast and lunch here and had a fantastic experience each time. For breakfast, we tried the smoked Gouda eggs Benedict and chicken and waffles. And the chicken and waffles comes with a side of sriracha maple syrup, and I've gotta say, I absolutely loved it. You wouldn't think that sriracha and maple syrup would go together, but it was amazing. I love when restaurants give you these little rock sugar stirring sticks. These are so fun. I've only ever seen it on one other occasion, and I just love them. For lunch, we tried the lobster roll with fries at the bar, and that was also delicious. The food quality here is definitely top-notch, and you can expect great food for very reasonable prices. Most of the entrees for breakfast and lunch range between $15 to $20, with the most expensive thing that we ordered being the lobster roll at $21. Oh, and they have a bottomless option for all of my friends out there, so you can get all-you-can-drink mimosas, Bloody Marys, and Bloody Marias, which I don't think I've ever heard of before, but $25 per person, that sounds like a really great deal. As we were finished with our lunch, we got a call that our room was available. Hey y'all, so we just got our room. We got a king suite here at Margaritaville, so let's take a tour. Welcome to our room. So we have a beautiful king suite room here, and I absolutely love the decor of this room. It has this beautiful like island feel to it, and this gigantic king size bed. It is a bit more on the firmer side though, so it's not like a really like pillow top, but I feel like after a long day at the theme parks, this is probably what your back would need. But if you look really closely, you can actually see that there are little like parrot designs on the comforter, which I think are so cute. It's very subtle, like all these little touches, and I absolutely love them. So on both sides of the bed, you do have outlets on either side, as well as controls for your light fixtures, which these light fixtures are so adorable. I absolutely love this look. This is so cute. In addition to, we do have a tablet here for your room controls. So one of the cool things about Margaritaville is that you can actually do like your room service and your room controls all through this tablet. You have all of the guest services right here at your fingertips. So if you do need to call valet or the concierge, or set up a wake-up call, you can actually do it all through the app here at Margaritaville. And the very corner here is where we have our coffee. So if you need your coffee fix in the morning, we have a few different types. Well, we actually have just one type and then tea. So we have our breakfast blend, as well as English breakfast tea and green tea. So for your tea drinkers out there, you do have a couple of options as well. Underneath your coffee maker is your fridge. So it is a pretty good sized fridge. Even though it's a little mini fridge, you do have enough room for some sodas, as well as some leftovers if you do have any of those, as well as any like medicines or anything that you do need to keep refrigerated. Oh look, there's a little light switch there. So one of the best parts about this room is that it is a balcony room that overlooks the pool, which I love. So let's take a look. So one of the great things is that it's a pretty good size balcony. It does have 2 lounge chairs out here, as well as a wobbly table. But it is a table, and let me fix it. Okay, yeah, it's still a wobbly table, but at least it's a table, so be careful with your drinks on this one. So this is how you get into your room. It's actually your room key, which makes it really easy to find. You don't have to dig through your purse trying to find your room key because it's always on your wrist. They actually have cottages that you can rent, so they are full houses that are available. So if you are coming here with a big family, you can rent out a full cottage that runs along the water and is all along the resort here. You can fit up to, like, I think 8 people in these cottages. So if you're coming with a large group of people, I definitely recommend doing the cottages here in Margaritaville. So in addition to your large screen television, they also told me during check-in that these bottles of water are complimentary. So if you do and want any more, you could just call down to the front desk and they will bring some more up to you, which I think is a nice gesture. Look at the size of this bathroom. Isn't that beautiful? I love the glass tile that is in the shower. It is stunning. Like, if I could redo my bathroom with this glass tile, I probably would. I also love the little detail of the tails that are on the handles, which is so cute. We also have the closet available as well. Ooh, oh, it's stuck. So, in the closet, you do have a little place to put your luggage if you do want to have it tucked away in the closet, as well as a few hangers. And then on the other side of the closet, if I can get it open. Oh, apparently the door is a little jammed, but that's okay. You have your safe here on the top, so if you have any valuables you want to tuck away, you can put that in here, as well as your ironing board and iron available to you. Hello, Internet. Welcome to Hotel Theory. Yeah? No? I'm no Matt Pat. I even can say that. That's for sure. Alright, good night. There are 3 pool areas where you can kick back and relax at a tropical oasis. The Fins left and Fins right pools are side by side right next to each other, and there's plenty of loungers here on the sandy shores to soak in the rays. Or if you prefer a private cabana, there are cabana rentals here as well. Each cabana is equipped with lounge chairs, beach chairs, a small refrigerator, and a fan to keep you cool. Right next to the pool is the Salty Rim Bar and Grill. Here you can order drinks and snacks to enjoy poolside, and what better place to enjoy a cheeseburger in paradise. There is another smaller pool called License to Chill if you do want a quieter experience. You'll find other games and activities all around the resort, like ping pong tables, volleyball courts, shuffleboard, and Surrey bikes available to rent here as well. Next to the left fin pool entrance is the fitness center and a spa if you do want to get a workout in or get some spa time services done. Margaritaville is a dog-friendly resort, so you can bring along your pet for an extra $75 a night with a maximum charge of $300. And at the Margaritaville Dog Park, they can run and play to their heart's content. And as I mentioned earlier, there are a few other great places that are walkable from here. You can get a free shuttle or walk over to the promenade at Sunset Walk. Sunset Walk is a great shopping area with tons of dining options and fun nighttime entertainment. Right next to Sunset Walk is Islands H2O Water Park, and Islands H2O is a great water park with a wide variety of slides, lazy river, and wave pool. The water park is not directly associated with the resort, so tickets will need to be purchased separately. I really enjoyed our stay at Margaritaville Orlando Resort. I loved the island theming all throughout the resort, and I felt that the price was very reasonable for our stay. So this is a great option if you're looking for something that's a bit more budget friendly, but still a fantastic laid-back tropical atmosphere.
If you are ready to book a stay at Margaritaville Resort Orlando, we do have an affiliate link that I'll plug into the description below. If you book a stay through our link, we earn a commission which helps us create future content for this channel at no additional cost to you. So a big thank you to you in advance for your support of our content. We would also like to give a huge shout out to our channel members whose support means the world to us. You make our content possible and we couldn't appreciate you more. If you want to see my other hotel and resort walkthroughs, then you can watch those in the playlist that just popped up on the screen. In this playlist, I'll go through resort options at both Universal and Disney World to help you decide which one would be best for you. Until next time, everyone, I hope you have an amazing day and go out and enjoy some Florida sunshine.